Learn how to make an adorable penguin pillow with a cute little penguin face. You can download the free sewing pattern for this by following the link in the description below. No email address required. Start by reinforcing the upper corner of the front white piece. Then you want to clip to the stitching. Sew the front white piece to the front black piece with right sides together. For the upper point, you'll need to spread the slashed corner of the white piece. You'll also need to ease the fabric pieces together around the top curve, but be careful not to create puckers in the fabric as you go. Next, we are going to prep the penguin face. Fold over the edges of the eyepieces and baste them in place. Then you want to do the same thing with the beak pieces. Fold over the seam allowance of the orange beak piece and baste it. After basting, you will want to clip off the overhanging fabric. Now you want to sew the face onto the penguin. Using the pattern as a guide, place the eyes and the beak onto the penguin face. Then edge stitch the pieces in place as close to the edge as you can. After stitching the eyes and beak, you can remove the basting stitches from the previous steps. Now you want to sew the front and the back of the pillow together with right sides together. Be sure to leave a gap in the bottom so that you can turn the pillow to the right side. Trim the seam all the way around and turn the pillow to the right side. Now all you need to do is stuff the pillow. You can stuff the pillow with whatever you want. I just like to use leftover fabric scraps that are too small to use for anything else. It does, however, make the final pillow a little bit lumpier than it would be otherwise, so keep that in mind. And if you want a smoother penguin pillow, then you can use more traditional stuffing material. After stuffing the pillow, make sure to sew up that gap at the bottom by hand sewing, and then you are finished. You have a cute new penguin pillow.